Hello, I'm Larry Lipsey, Senior Sales Manager here at INFiLED. One of the products that we're really excited about is our MagCube. So the MagCube is a really versatile product, and instead of a cut corner, like in a traditional way that you would make a 90-degree corner, there's adapter plates on the rear of the panel that you could switch from 90 degrees to 0 degrees. And if we come along here, you can see the side of the screen has our MagCube 1.5.
All right, for sure. All righty, thank you.
The MagCube is one of the many products that we're showing here that INFiLED invented. We invented this technology 3 years ago, and again, we continue to set the trend in the industry. I encourage you to come to our website at www.infiled.com. That's INFiLED.com.